Before I got into bike racing, I kind of viewed it as not wild enough for where I was mentally and in life. I really loved whipping around on my fixed gear and partying, and that just didn't seem like that. But if I can infuse my sense of humor into something, I get very into it.
The work that I do as a fashion designer is an extension of who I am, in the sense that I try to express myself through the designs. I wear some things that most of cyclists wouldn't wear. I guess that makes it in some ways a bit of a personal style, but I wear what I like to wear, and when I ride bikes 5 days a week, I just happen to wear what I usually would like to.
I just like to be who I am because I feel like cycling tries to put you in this little box. And if you don't fit in that box, people kind of judge you. I would love for there to be a way where people could know actually cycling is kind of whatever you want to define it to yourself as.
I really don't know why cycling has been such a uniform and strict sport. I believe that we are changing that now. I hope it's becoming a much more multicultural, self-expression sport and way of even communication.